In this video, I want to demonstrate how to add a limit distance mate between this jaw and this solid jaw of what will become my vise. I could also do it between this jaw and the solid jaw. So first I'm going to select this face of the movable jaw. I'm going to rotate around. I'm going to hold control and select this face of my fixed jaw. I'm not moving my mouse, so when I release control, the mates pop up. I'm going to go to the limit distance mate. Now I still have to design some soft jaws to go on top of these, so I have to keep in mind their thickness. Each soft jaw will be a 1/2 inch thick. So I'm going to set the minimum distance to 1 inch, and I'm going to set the maximum distance to 6 inches. And I'll accept that. So I want to check that that works. So if I move this in and out, I can see it's working. And I can analyze that distance as well if I want using the evaluate measure.